Figaro, Figaro. I'm very, very satisfied with it. Tell me what you think. If I'm 51 and I said I'm 21, then yeah. But if I said I'm 21, because that's too much.
Hello everyone, our patient came all the way from US in New York to get his teeth done. His name is Titi. How was your experience?
It was actually a really good experience. Thanks for asking. The people were nice, very welcoming. As soon as the plane landed, I knew exactly where to go to be picked up. When I was picked up, I was brought to the clinic to meet the staff. Took me to my hotel. The hotel is beautiful. All accommodations are paid for. Very clean. The facility itself, the entire dental clinic is clean. Everybody's trustworthy, very open about what's going on, friendly people, honest about the situation and you know where you are, how your teeth are doing. They take really good care of your teeth, which is extremely important.